ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் 9th சோஷியல் சயின்ஸில் சிவிக்ஸில் இருக்கிற டூ யூ நோ சீரிஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் வெர்ஷன். ஃபஸ்ட் லெசன் வந்து ஃபார்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் கவர்மெண்ட் அண்ட் டெமோக்ரஸி. இதில் இருக்க டூ யூ நோ சீரிஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபஸ்ட் டூ யூ நோ சீரிஸ் என்னென்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, த டேர்ம் டெமோக்ரஸி இஸ் derived ஃப்ரம் two Greek words, demos meaning people and kratia meaning power. Thus, literally, democracy means the power of the people. Second do you know series என்னன்னு பார்ப்போம். The term republic was first coined in 500 BCE in Rome. It is derived from res publica, a Latin word meaning public matter. Third do you know series என்னன்னா, the Parliament House in India was designed by the British architects Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker in 1912-13, and construction began in 1921 and ended in 1927. Fourth do you know என்னன்னா, நமக்கு பார்லிமெண்ட்டில் 2 houses இருக்குது. லோக்சபா லோயர் ஹவுஸ், ஹவுஸ் ஆஃப் பீப்புள். ராஜ்யசபா அப்பர் ஹவுஸ், கவுன்சில் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட்ஸ். ஃபிஃப்த் டூ யூ நோ என்னென்னா, பிரிட்டிஷ் இந்தியா ஜென்ரல் எலெக்ஷன்ஸ் 1920. General elections were held in British India in 1920 to elect members to the Imperial Legislative Council and the Provincial Councils. They were the first elections in the country's history. இப்போ செகண்ட் யூனிட்டு எலெக்ஷன், பொலிட்டிக்கல் பார்ட்டிஸ் அண்ட் ப்ரெஷர் குரூப்ஸில் இருக்கிற டூ யூ நோ சீரிஸ் பார்க்கலாம். சிக்ஸ்த் ஒன் வந்து குடவோலை வாஸ் த சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் voting followed during the Chola period in Tamil Nadu. Seventh one, we celebrate National Voters Day on 25th January in India. Eighth one, VVPAT அப்படின்னா voters verified paper audit trail is the way forward to enhance credibility and transparency of the election process. This system was first introduced in the 2014 general election. VVPAT வந்து இதுதான் VVPAT. Ninth one, Nota was first introduced in the general elections held in 2014. India is the 14th country in the world to introduce Nota. Nota அப்படின்னா வந்து none of the above. Tenth one, how is the President of India elected? The President of India is elected by the members of an electoral college consisting of the elected members of both houses of parliament, the elected members of the legislative assemblies of all the states and union territories in India. இல்லை என்ன நோட் பார்த்தோம்னா, the members nominated in either house of the parliament or the legislative assemblies of the state are not eligible to be included in the electoral college. அதாவது elected persons மட்டும்தான் எலிஜிபிள். பிரசிடெண்ட் வந்து நாமினேட் பண்ணுறவங்க வந்து எலிஜிபிள் கிடையாது. யூனிட் 3 ஹியூமன் ரைட்ஸில் இருக்க டூ யூ நோ சீரிஸ் பார்க்கலாம். 11th one, Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007 is a legislation passed in 2007 by the Government of India. This act is a legal obligation for children and heirs to provide maintenance to senior citizens and parents. 12th one வந்து, the Kavalan SOS app is launched by the Government of Tamil Nadu for public use during emergencies. Anyone in a critical situation, not only women, can easily and directly access the state police control room using this app, the Kavalan app. 13th one வந்து, Kailash Satyarthi is a Nobel Peace Prize recipient and the founder of Bachpan Bacho Andolan and many other child rights organizations. More than 86,000 children in India have been liberated by him and his team members from child labor, slavery, and trafficking. An 80,000 kilometer long global march against child labor was led by Kailash in 1998, which turned the world's attention towards the issue of child labor. He received Nobel Prize for the Peace in the year 2014. இவர்தான் கைலாஷ் சத்யார்த்தி. 14th one, it is a great victory for female workers who stand all the time more or less 12 to 14 hours per day while they are working in shops and commercial malls. Female workers who are working in shops and commercial malls are not allowed to sit or even lean on the wall. They were allowed only 5 minutes of break 2 times a day to take rest. There was a strong voice against this inhuman practice among women workers for a long time. Considering this, the government of Kerala has decided to redress by amending the Shops and Commercial Establishment Act in July 2018. Unit 4 Forms of Government Do you know series பார்க்கலாம். Unit 6 Road Safety Do you know series பார்க்கலாம். 15th one, with over 1,30,000 deaths annually, India has the worst road accident rate worldwide. 16th one, every 3 minutes a child is killed in an accident in the world. The main causes of the death by road accidents include drunken drive 40%, speeding 24%, car boom in India 16%, inefficient law enforcement 15%, and less use of helmets and seat belts 5%. Distractions to driver, red light jumping, overtaking in a wrong manner. 17th, do you know the chances of death by accident can be decreased by 51% with the proper use of seat belt and helmet. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம 9th சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் சிவிக்ஸில் இருக்கிற டூ யூ நோ சீரீஸ் ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்துட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் மீட் பண்ணுவோம். தேங்க்யூ.